Hello! Back in the series where we go from nothing to 10 million in farming friends. And last episode we got some rice. In this episode we get to harvest it for the first time. And we're in public server, just currently nobody's in it. But first things first, we have to lag so we miss 2 pieces of rice. Also, if there's like scratchy noise in the background, it is a cooling fan and it just cools my room. So yeah, that's what you're hearing in the background. But can't wait to see how much money this rice gives us. Rice is getting to boost us so much. Maybe we'll get to like 3,000? Cause that'd be a whole grand extra. It'd be insane. If we get 3,000, that'd be insane. The only thing that's gonna be bad about rice is how long it takes to grow. So these episodes probably expand to like 30 minutes long because otherwise they'll just be like 1 or 2 harvests and then the episode's over. And rice is red. How much could I get for it anyways? I'm not gonna sell it, but I could only get 200 in profit. When I had extra money so I could just buy like 2 things of corn. Well, guess while I wait for prices to go up, we'll get the plowing and cultivating. Hope the prices will be up by then. Of course, when I get rice, the prices are bad. Because that is my luck. But now, time to plow? Okay. Plow seemed glitched out. I attached it, but it wasn't attaching. And I'm currently uploading a video, so this episode's probably gonna be a lot laggier than the last one, because when you're uploading a video, or when I'm uploading a video, I should say, my computer isn't the greatest, and my internet's really bad. So I think right now it's mostly just my computer struggling to handle it, and my actual internet is doing fine. Well, my internet's doing okay. When I miss these spots, that's when my internet's doing bad. My internet's trying to do its best. It's just not. But I wish I had more than 3 coins right now. Sad that I only have 3 coins. Really sad. I just missed the entire strip because of my bad internet. And I missed another spot because of bad internet. And I can't drive because of bad internet. Okay, maybe the bad driving is me, but the rest is not. How did I miss that? There's no way I glitched in the same spot again. strip as long as I don't miss any. Of course I do. Okay, maybe just recording right now is not in my favor, and I should just not record when I'm uploading the video. But this episode will probably be shorter because of that, but then the next one will be longer. But now, let's see, prices are up. And I think I just caught a glimpse of them still being red. They're still red. How come wheat's rainbow, corn's green, cocoa's green, bamboo's green, soybean's green, but rice is a light red? Even potatoes are a bright green. That is annoying. Come on. I need prices. 80 robux to boost the stock prices. And it's not like it boosts them forever either. It boosts them for a tiny little bit, and then, but I mean, like pretty much as long as you're in the game, as soon as you leave, you lose the boost in stock prices. So it's only if you're bulk selling. So right now I have nothing to do. I don't have animals or anything. So this is boring. It's taking forever. Just post already. Oh, breaker. Probably get like 2,500 if I sell this right now. Almost 2,600. Rice. One of the 3 things that has bad prices. And I own it. I think I could. Oh, that's. Dang it. I've never been on this before. I've never tried to be on this one, but I've tried to be on other ones. That wasn't successful. And this episode is only 8 minutes and 30 seconds long so far. So as soon as they're gray. Okay. Well, as soon as this gets even a littlest bit of green, wait, a little bit more than that, then I'm going to sell this and end the episode after I buy the seeds because my internet's being bad right now. There's rain, but I can't plant anything right now. How much could I sell for right now? Even without green. Be 2,800. So when this is green, I can sell for about 3,000. I just need one more harvest and I'll be able to get 2 boxes of rice. So when I sell those 2 boxes, I'll end up with 6,000, which means I'll have 2,000 to spend. Well, maybe I'll expand the field more then, and then wait till the next harvest and get another box of rice. And then after that harvest, get another box of rice. Then after that, get better equipment. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But that's in like the next 2 or 3 episodes. So it's gonna take a while. I will try and record either tomorrow or the day after that. For me, not when this episode comes out. I'm talking about this episode's gonna come out on Sunday, so I'm gonna try and record either Friday night or Saturday night, because I really want to play. It's just, right now I'm recording, or not, I am recording, but I'm uploading a video, so it's being slower than usual. And I need to go to bed soon. Not quite yet though. We're at 11 minutes 30 seconds. And rice is still like that, like dark green. Soybeans is getting better. Cabbages, terrible. I thought soybeans was before bamboo. How much does bamboo cost? I wish there was a shift to wait, is there? I don't think you change it to speed refresh shift. But anyways, how much does bamboo cost? 10? Don't know. So I guess the next crop we get is bamboo. After rice, of course. Why? Just go up already. Wow. I'm gonna look away. I'm gonna look back. And it's gonna be green. No! No! No. What's this? Oh. People talking. I thought I disabled these. I did. Also, if you didn't know, you can disable the chat tips. Here's on my key lines. It'll be green now. It's green! Finally! 3,000. Close enough. 8 coins away. Now, more rice, and then end of episode. Boom. I would do off-camera work, but I feel like then it'd be unbelievable. People wouldn't believe I actually made money off of the camera, and then I can't make videos out of it. And right now, I'm trying to get like a lot of videos out. That way, people will see my channel, hopefully start subscribing and watching. My last video only got 2 views, so I don't know how likely. Last video as of recording, I don't know how likely I am to gain people. I mean, the first video on this series got 11 views, so maybe that video just after a little bit will take off. But join my groups right now. If you join my group called Southwest Mafia, you get 20 robux after being in it for like 2 weeks, I think. And on my other group, that one, if you join that one right now, I'll give you robux monthly. Just right now, it doesn't have any funds, but after a month or two, it'll have funds. If you join right now, though, you'll get robux monthly after like 1 or 2 months of being in it. But as soon as I get funds in there, then you'll no longer be able to get robux monthly. It'll just be if you join the group after I get funds. So I would suggest joining next month. You don't have to, but I would suggest it because I'm going to get robux in there in probably a month, maybe a month and a half, probably a month and a half or 2 months. So you have quite some time. Also, if you need to, I'm pretty sure I have a short shouting out in my groups, or you can go to my profile, which is ardent_blitz, BLITZ, and you can see my groups there. But that's gonna be the end of the episode. Thanks for watching. I gotta end it. Thanks for watching.